Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Now, we're going to be doing 8 easy steps to start affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2018. And yes, it is still the Super Affiliate Network. Now, we're continuing with Bootcamp 8, but we only have one more presentation before Bootcamp 8 will end. So let's get started. Now, again, we have 8 easy steps. So let's start with step one. Super affiliate opt-in funnel / done for you funnel template. You have the opt-in page, the bridge page, affiliate offer, personally branded email follow-up campaign, and done for you video scripts and templates. And once you sign up with Super Affiliate Network, you'll get all this and you'll understand how to do all this, okay? So hang in there. Step two, you get the full authority website build out, done for you authority positioning, content for a year, the content creation, and that's valued at $1,997. You get a done for you phone sales team that will call your leads and close them into big $1,000, $2,000, $3,500, and $5,500 commissions without you ever having to lift a finger. Then you'll get 2 free tickets to the next Maui Immersion or stateside event, and that's the Maui Immersion experience. Step three, the tactical triangle. First, you'll start with the correct foundation in place for conversions, and that's the 5 keys to profitability online, and then focus on getting high quality traffic that converts. That's the gasoline. And then you'll start with the correct business model for favorable economics, premium value affiliate marketing, and then you'll feed the funnel and let the system do the work. And for the pros, that's $1,000. Step four, the 6 Figure Club, and that's $2,000. The Maui Intensive Coaching and Mentorship Program, the 4-day Maui Intensive Retreat, valued at $9,997. The weekly immersion coaching / my team, valued at $15,000. The 6-figure Maui immersion blueprint, valued at $2,997. The top earner traffic boosting bootcamp, valued at $4,997. Done for you video scripts and templates, valued at $1,997. Step five is the super affiliate webinar funnel. You get the done for you funnel templates, and that's valued at $4,997. And with that, you get the webinar registration. And what you'll do with that one is just enter your email, and then you'll have the thank you, the live room, email follow up 1, email follow up 2, and email follow up 3. You get the replay room and the order form. Don't forget to purchase the Super Affiliate Network. Once you do, you'll learn all about this, what you get. The Super Affiliate Consult Funnel, done for you funnel template, that's valued at $4,997, and this is step 6. You get the free consult giveaway, the application, the phone call, and the money. Step 7, your email follow-up campaign written for maximum impact, 100% done for you, value at $4,997. And with that, you'll get the initial campaign, the responder message, non-responder message number 1, non-responder message number 2, and non-responder message number 3. And lastly is step 8, full authority website build out, valued at $4,997. The done for you authority positioning content for a year, which is the content creation, a done for you phone sales team that will call your leads and close them into big $1,000, $2,000, $3,500, and $5,500 commissions without you ever having to lift a finger. That's valued at $9,997. Now, you get your funnel videos shot, valued at $2,997. You get the branding, you get the mission, you get the values. And you also get 2 bonuses. Bonus 1 is additional one-on-one coaching, valued at $997. The Maui Intensive Online Mastermind, valued at $997. The two-part edification interview series, To My Own Personal House List, valued at $7,500. You get the fast action bonus, a guaranteed picture on stage at our next event, and that's valued at $1,997. You get the fast action bonus, lifetime updates to your funnels, which of course is the updates. That's valued at $4,997. And you also get the all-in experience. You get everything we've already discussed with the Maui Intensive 3 and 4-day intensive retreats. And that's valued at $30,000. Bonus number 2, the weekly immersion coaching / my team, valued at $30,000. And your super affiliate opt-in funnel / 100% done for you. You get the opt-in page, the bridge page, and the affiliate offer. Personally branded email follow-up campaign, valued at $4,997. You get your super affiliate webinar webinar funnel / 100% done for you. Yes, my YouTube friends, this is the end of the video. So please click or copy this wonderful link. And if you copy it, open it up in a new browser and learn all about the Super Affiliate Network and how you can purchase it just to start for $1. And that's for 30 days. And please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.